Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be mixing slime with makeup, but I think I might have to make a part 2 because I don't think I have enough time in my short, and this is my first time posting. I'm really scared, but, well, let's just get into the video. So, I made this slime when I was not recording. I did white, mixed it with shaving cream that's over here, and then I added some yellow and I added some brown. So I got this color. Comment down below if you want me to make a part 2. Bye.